Hey, did you know that you can write in to me and ask about photography? And if your questions are good, we'll make an episode out of it. And today's question is, ball heads are excellent for tripods, but why do they make three-way heads still? They're so difficult to use. This is today's 3 minutes of photography.
Action!
This is called a ball head. This is called a three-way head. Ball heads are excellent to work with because all you need to do is just turn this knob and then you can start turning this camera any orientation you want and then lock it back up. It's excellent to work with, it's affordable. And then you have the three-way heads. Okay, let's quickly learn this. This is called panning your camera from left to right. And this is called tilting your camera. And that's why we have this kind of tripod heads, the three-way heads, X, Y, Z. They are not easy to use. To pan your camera, you need to release this lever and pan it left to right. And then to tilt your camera, you need to do this. So there are 3 levers controlling 3 different movements. As opposed to the ball head, this is a nightmare to work with. But why do they still make this? For 2 good reasons. Number 1, you notice that good three-way heads have markings and indications of degree that you can move the camera in minute increments. This is valuable when you're shooting time-lapse, where your cameras need to move in calculated, precise fashion from left to right or top to bottom like this. And the second reason, because of these precise markings that you have, they're great for stop motion videos. So let's keep it simple. If you're a product and portrait photographer, use a ball head. If you're somebody that shoots a lot of time-lapse, hyperlapse and stop motions, go for this kind of three-way heads. Hey, I hope you enjoy our 3 minutes of photography. Quick, snappy, straightforward. That's how you learn. And if you do, I strongly encourage you to head on to my website here and check out our online ProCert program. This is a certification program that can help you to become a professional photographer in less than 3 months. So join now because the price is just $69 for the whole program. So quickly head on to this link here. I think it's time that you turn photography into your second income. To pan the camera, you need to deal with this lever. To pan your... So if you're a studio photographer shooting portraits and if you're somebody that shoots a lot of hyperlapse, time-lapse and stop motions, go for this kind of ball heads. But 2020 proves to be an exciting year, not exciting.